Hi parents, I just wanted to, in case some of you were having a hard time or didn't know how to log in for the specials, I know right now they're on a lunch break, but you can log into specials anytime. The first 3 days you're just going to get to know the teachers for each special, but when you go to that Harmony eClass page, if it's working for you today, but when it does, your child will have, this is what their screen will look like. So this is my eClass page, but if you wanted to go to PE, this is Miss Ayers. You would click there. And then you can click on her buttons as well. So you can meet the teacher. If you're kindergarten, you'll click right here on this kindergarten. And you'll see all of the little things that you can click on here. So she'll be introducing herself, kind of going through some stuff. So you want to click around and sort of get familiar with PE. And then the next day you can go into, let's say you wanted to do art the next day. And starting next week, we'll introduce each special you have, but this is just so you get familiar and how to get to their page. So right here, Miss Craig with the crayons, that's art. You would click on her page. And then Miss Lee is music. So you can go on to their pages and sort of have your child look around and see the specials. And then next week, they will start the lessons for them. All right, thanks, and let me know if you have any questions.